What is that? Gianluca, you gotta come right now! I'm coming. No! And now let the Italians fix the lasagna. Ingredients. No! Extra virgin.
Oh, siciliana!
So good for you.
Soffritto.
A sprinkle of salt. It extracts the juices.
My favorite part over here.
Sprinkle of salt, it extracts the juices. Now, this is what I would like to do. We add the tomato paste.
Concentrato.
Concentrato di pomodoro. Well, think about what the tomato paste is. It's like the essence of tomatoes.
Wait, is it a mix of tomatoes?
Usually it's a species of tomato.
Species.
Yeah, that's how you say it. Come si dice in inglese? Una specie di pomodoro.
Yeah, a strain.
Una varietà.
A strain.
A variety
of tomatoes.
That is dried in the sun. And dried out into a paste. Now this is gonna add the extra punchy tomato flavor.
Now the beef.
Wash your hands. Wine.
Salute.
Esatto. Vai. Basta. Flame on medium high.
Dark red like lava.
Alcohol. Make it possible for water and oil to combine.
I thought it was like just for fun.
La pumarola ingappa.
La pumarola ingappa. La pumarola.
Pumarola goes in. Bello. A good tomato sauce has to bubble effusively. You know that word?
Oh.
Like vivaciously.
Volcanic.
For a little bit before we put it down on a simmer while we make the fresh pasta sheets. And now reap the basil by hand.
Everything by hand. It releases more flavors. The Italian flavors.
Porca miseria. Ragu with the essence of Gianluca.
Now,
On a low simmer.
we wait while we make some pasta. Come on.
Put it on a low simmer.
Let's go. Come on. Oh.
You need biceps for this, and that's why we got Gianluca.
Yeah, this is not easy. Some tiring stuff.
Not easy. Easy on a Sunday morning.
You
on a Sunday morning. Beautifully.
Let's see, spring
You know
test,
that
spring
one?
test, spring test, spring test.
Bye. Do the spring test because we know if you incorporated enough air.
Yep.
Did you know that that's what it is?
Ready?
Bye.
It's pretty springy.
No, you have to be gentle, like you would with when you're giving someone a massage.
Ah.
Okay, Jesus, you're like a savage.
I was born this way.
You gotta put a little bit more passion.
Okay, I literally was doing this for 20 minutes and now you come in and you're like,
Just a little passion, it's going to fix it. Shall we go to Japan?
do birds fly?
They
Yeah, we have to
apparently
go. She's never been, you never been.
No, but apparently they won like best tiramisu in the entire world.
Yeah, I think it's time.
We need to go taste it.
We need to go see what this is about.
I want
you
to
know?
make fresh pasta with a Japanese.
You know what they
person.
say? They say
What?
that the Japanese make Italian food better than Italians.
Okay. Pronto, polizia. Let's go to Japan.
We're going.
In a Ziploc bag, sealed. Do not let it catch any cold. Air sealed by Gianluca. A pinch of salt, a sprinkle of nutmeg, a scrunch of black pepper because that's how Gianluca likes it. Now we set it aside. And now we assemble the layers. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Oh wow.
Woo! This is how you do it.